How to change language in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, here on the right top, you can find this three dot icon. Tap on this three dot icon, and on the bottom, tap on settings. So now we in this settings interface. Here you'll be able to find different options and even customize it. Here on the top there's a section of language. Tap on language, and here there are some limited language that you can switch into. So select the one that you want to change. So here I'm tapping on one, and after you do this, everything is changed. The whole interface is changed now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.